Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn the basic shapes blocks are present in Scratch. So let's start.
What are blocks? Blocks are puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other vertically like a jigsaw puzzle. Where each data type has its own shape and a specially shaped slot for it to be inserted into, which prevents syntax error. Series of connected blocks are called script. Blocks are often easier to work with than text-based programming, as one has to memorize the command typed and syntax error may occur. However, text-based programming is more flexible as blocks cannot be easily edited. There are total 10 categories of blocks. These are motion blocks, looks block, sound blocks, event blocks, control blocks, sensing block, operator blocks, variable blocks. Under the variable blocks there is one more block, that is list blocks, at last my blocks. So the list blocks are shown under the variable blocks. In total there are 7 hat blocks. In total means these blocks contains different commands, different actions, or we can say different coding which help us to make our project. So under these blocks it contains different more blocks. There are 7 hat blocks, 5 C blocks, 31 reporter blocks, 13 booleans blocks, 2 cap blocks, 59 stack blocks. So now we are going to learn different blocks, different types of blocks which comes under these blocks. Okay, these are main blocks, these which are representing with these colors, like motion block is representing with blue, looks block is representing with purple, and so on. So now we will learn about the different shapes of blocks which comes under these main blocks. There are 6 different block shapes, like hat block, stack block, booleans block, reporter block, C block, and cap block. Or we can say these blocks as this: hat block shapes, stack block shapes, booleans block shapes, reporter block shapes, C block shapes, and last is cap block shapes. So first we will learn about hat block shape. Hat block are the block that start every script with. They are shaped with a rounded top and a bump at the bottom. This is so you can only place blocks below them. There are 11 hat blocks in the scratch, 6 of which are in an event category, 1 in the control category and 1 in the category my blocks. There are total 11 hat blocks. Now let me show you what are hat blocks. These are hat blocks which are shaped with a round top and a bump at the bottom. There is 11 hat blocks in a scratch. There are total in these main blocks, total there are 11 hat blocks, in which 6 hat blocks is present in this event block. Okay, you can see here 6 different blocks are hat blocks are present here in event, and rest of hat blocks are present in different main blocks. Now next we will study about stack blocks. Stack blocks are the blocks that perform the main commands. They are shaped with the notch at the top and the bump on the bottom. This is so blocks can be placed above and below them. There are 77 stack blocks. The most common block shape is a stack block. Now what is a stack block? Stack block, this is where this under rounded shape, it is also called a notch. There is a one notch, and at the bottom there is a bump. This you can say, which the outside portion is called a bump. So with the help of this we can fix any different command, any different code at the top of this, and with the help of this notch we can arrange our coding. Now next we will learn about Boolean's blocks. Boolean blocks are the conditions. They are either true or false. Now Boolean's blocks are the condition. You can see here, this is the Boolean block, right? For example, with this Boolean block, let's take example. Asking a computer, does 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and it would either tell you true or false. With a hexagonal shape, there are total 13 of these blocks. There are total 13 Boolean's block present in our Scratch editor. Now next is reporter block. Reporter blocks are the values reporter can be hold number and strings. It is like asking a friend, for example, what is 2 plus 2? Okay, what is 2 plus 2? Question mark. Here you are asking the normal question and they would answer 4. It can also report a variable. Let's take another example. what is your age? And they may answer 15. Shaped with a round edge, there are total 37 of these blocks. Not counting the theoretically infinite amount of reporters' blocks that can be made for each variable and list. Now, next comes cap blocks. Cap blocks are the blocks that end strips. They are shaped with a notch at the top and the flat bottom. This is so you cannot place any block between them. There are two cap blocks which can both be found in control category. When you will go at the control category, here you will find a different types of cap block, in which the top portion is available for adding some another command, and the mid portion is also available for adding some different command. But at the bottom of this command, you cannot add any other more command. So that is why it is called a cap block, where you can add at the top and you can also add at the between of this command, but you cannot proceed the command from the bottom. So these are the different block shapes. Let's revise once again. There are 6 different block shapes. First is hat block. Now hat block, this is a hat block. Next is stack block. This one is called stack block. Next is Boolean's block, where we can apply a condition. Next is reporter block. You can see this block is like a circle, okay, circle with a round, with a quite large circle. And the last is C blocks. This is called a C block, where you can add wherever you want to add the command, at the top, the bottom, or in the mid. And the last one is cap blocks. Now cap blocks is where you cannot proceed that command further, like this, okay, or you can say cap blocks is quite similar with the command like stop. So these are the total 6 different important blocks in Scratch.